In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Voicemod on Discord. We'll go from a clean install to speaking with real-time voice effects in your Discord calls. Voicemod is a voice changer and sound processor that sits between your microphone and your apps, so setting it up correctly matters. Follow along and you'll be ready in a few minutes. First, install Voicemod. Open your browser and head to voicemod.net, then download the installer for Windows. Run the installer and follow the on-screen steps. If Discord is open, close it before or during installation so the new virtual audio devices register properly. When Windows asks for microphone permissions, allow them so Voicemod can access your mic. If you're prompted to restart your PC at the end, do it. A reboot ensures the Voicemod virtual microphone appears everywhere it should. Next, set up Voicemod itself, launch the app and go to Settings. For input device, select your real physical microphone, the one you actually speak into. For output device, choose the headphones or speakers you use to listen. Turn the voice changer switch on so effects are enabled. If you want to preview how you'll sound, enable Hear Myself. Use headphones for this to avoid feedback and keep the monitoring volume moderate. If you hear echo or doubling, reduce the output volume a bit, or disable Hear Myself once you're done testing. Now configure Discord to use Voicemod. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then Voice and Video. Set input device to Voicemod virtual microphone. That tells Discord to listen to the processed audio coming from Voicemod rather than your raw mic. Set output device to your headphones so you hear your friends and system sounds clearly. Leave input sensitivity on automatic for a reliable starting point. Click Let's Check and speak into your mic. You should see the input meter move. If your level is too hot or too quiet, adjust the microphone gain inside Voicemod so your voice sits comfortably in the green without clipping. Finally, pick a voice and try it live. In Voicemod, choose a voice that fits the vibe you want. Many voices include extra controls like pitch or ambience. Tweak those to taste and keep the voice changer toggle on. Join a Discord voice channel and start talking. Your friends will hear the effect in real time. To return to your normal voice, simply turn the voice changer off. Discord will still receive audio through Voicemod, just without effects. If something doesn't work right away, double-check your selected devices in both apps and make sure Voicemod is running in the background. That's all. Enjoy your new voice on Discord.